Before buying solar panels, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But real buyers are definitely talking about it. The efficiency difference between mono and poly panels can impact your energy output significantly. Product number 1, Eco-Worthy 200W Solar Panel Kit. The Eco-Worthy 200-watt solar panel kit caught my attention for its price at $169.99 and its impressive high efficiency. If you want a reliable off-grid power solution, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes everything you need, like a 30A PWM charge controller, making it ideal for RVs, campers, and even backup power at home. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This kit produces 800 Wh per day under full sunshine, which is more than enough for most off-grid applications. With a monocrystalline efficiency of up to 21.5%, you're getting top-tier performance. Plus, the durable aluminum frame ensures it can withstand high winds and heavy snow loads, making it a long-term investment. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you have basic DIY skills, you should be fine. Just take your time and read the instructions. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-in-one solution for your off-grid lifestyle. Skip this one if you need something for smaller applications or if you're not comfortable with DIY installation. Now, if the installation concerns you, the next one offers a more straightforward setup approach. Product number 2, Renagi 100W Solar Panel. The Renagi Solar Panel 100-watt really stands out with its price of $87.99, an excellent review count of 4.6 stars from 4,400 users. If you want maximum efficiency in a compact package, you should definitely check this out. It features advanced N-type solar cells achieving an impressive 25% conversion efficiency, which is quite remarkable. Here's why this matters. With 20W more output than standard panels, you're getting more energy from the same sunlight. It's also 11% smaller and lighter than its competitors, making it ideal for tight spaces like vans. Plus, the low temperature coefficient means you can count on consistent performance even in the heat of summer. Now, some users reported it being slightly less powerful in low light conditions. But honestly, as long as you're using it in decent sunlight, you shouldn't have any issues. It's a great fit for RVs and marine applications. This is ideal for those needing a powerful yet compact panel. Skip this if you're seeking a larger setup or need more versatility in size. It offers solid value for your money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a complete starter kit. Product number 3, Renagi 100W Starter Kit. Next up is the Renagi 100W12V Solar Panel Starter Kit, priced at $159.99, which includes a 30A PWM charge controller. If you want a hassle-free solar solution right out of the box, this is a fantastic choice. With an average output of 500 Wh per day, it's perfect for RVs and off-grid living. The 22.5% efficiency means you're not just buying a panel, you're investing in reliable power generation. Plus, the remote monitoring feature is a huge plus, allowing you to track your energy usage easily. Now, some customers mention the charge controller being a bit limited in features. But here's the thing, if your priority is a simple and effective setup, it's more than adequate for most situations. This is perfect for beginners who want a straightforward solar power solution. Skip this if you're looking for something expandable right out of the gate. This kit gives great bang for your buck. Now, if you need something more portable, let's take a look at a lighter option. Product number 4, Eco-Worthy 25W Solar Panel. The Eco-Worthy Solar Panel 25W is a budget-friendly option at just $36.99, and it's perfect for small applications like charging batteries. If you need something portable and easy to use, this is worth considering. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry and install. The waterproof junction box ensures that it can handle tough weather conditions, so you don't have to worry about it failing during a storm. However, some users found that it doesn't generate enough power for larger applications. But honestly, if you need a reliable little panel for small tasks, it's perfect. This is ideal if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for battery charging. Skip this if you need more power for bigger systems. It's a great value if you're on a tight budget. Alright, that brings us to our last product, which is a solid option for mid-range power needs. Product number 5, Renagi 50W Solar Panel. Finally, we have the Renagi Solar Panel 50 Watt priced at $53.69. If you're looking for a reliable mid-range panel, this could be your best bet. It combines efficiency with a compact design, making it great for various applications. The 22% efficiency rating means you'll get solid performance even on cloudy days. Plus, the bypass diodes minimize power loss, which is a huge advantage in partially shaded areas. Now, some buyers pointed out that it might not be enough for larger setups. But honestly, if you're using it for smaller systems or as part of a larger array, it's a reliable choice. This is perfect for anyone looking to expand their solar setup without breaking the bank. Skip this if you need a high-output panel right away. It offers great value for what you get. So to wrap it all up, we've got the eco-worthy 200W for comprehensive off-grid setups, the Renagi 100W for compact power, the Renagi Starter Kit for a complete package, the eco-worthy 25W for portability, and the Renagi 50W for a mid-range solution. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best.